All right, so hi, good people. Julius here, your Excel guy. To CASNEB students, your exam is around the corner. Of course, you know today is 1st of April. We have exactly 3 weeks for you to sit for your exams. It is my belief that you are continuing to prepare for your exam. And of course, I wish you all the best in your examination. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at something on Excel. And here we are looking at what we call text functions in Excel. All right. So straight away, let me share my screen. We have a look at it. Great. So there we are. And here I have this sample text that is in Microsoft Excel, where I have the first column, that is column A, having the first name, column B is having the second name, and the last column C having the last name. My goal here, ladies and gentlemen, is to merge this into one cell so that I have what? The full name here, so that I have the full name in one cell, right? So to enable me do this, we need to use specific text function. And to be able to merge text from different cells, there are two functions that can help you in this. Number one, ladies and gentlemen, we can use the concatenate function. And number two, we can also use the ampersand. If you're wondering what is the ampersand, I'm going to show you that what that is in a few. Let's start with the concatenate function. So the concatenate function basically helps you to merge texts from different cells. So you can either use the concat or use the concatenate function, right? You can either use concat or concatenate function. They all do the same thing. I'm going to use concatenate. So you're being asked for text one. So I want to merge the first name, that is my text one, comma, text two is the second name, comma, and text three is the last name. Just that. I execute that. There we go. However, you realize some problem in the merged text. There is no spacing in between the names. So therefore, for us to include the spacing, we're just going to edit our function here. So straight away, I'll go to the formula bar. Then I'll say my text one is the first name, that is A2, comma. Then my text two is a space. My text two will be a space. My text three is a space. I'm going to put a comma. Text three is the middle name. And then text four is going to be another space again, like that. Another space like that. And then that's it. That's okay. Yes, that's okay. So I'm going to execute that. So now I have it perfectly merged. Akinye Amos Wamaya. And definitely what do we do? Once you do that, you just double tap the black hanged rabbit so that you autofill. You just double tap the black hanged rabbit for you to autofill. All right. So that is method one. Now, method two, we can also use the ampersand. Number two, we can also use the ampersand. So I'm going to say equals. Then I refer to the first name. And now because you know that we need a space in between, I'm just going to do everything at once, all right? So I'm going to have the first name, comma, then not comma, but ampersand. Ampersand is shift, keyboard 7. Shift 7. So I'm going to put a space. Ampersand again. Second name. I put an ampersand once again. And then a space like that. And the last name. That's it. Once done, go ahead and execute. And of course, you can autofill. That is how you merge text that is in different cells into one. This is a possible question for you, CASNEB students, in your upcoming examinations. Of course, those who are doing BDA. All right. And also you who is just doing your normal work, this is an important knowledge for you. Follow me for more tips on Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much, and let's meet in our next video. Bye-bye.